Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This rap song is about statistics. Now, the four statistical measures that are mentioned in the rap song are the mean, the median, the mode and the range. Now, to quickly illustrate what these mean, we have 7 scores here, starting from 2 going up to 10, and you'll see that this 2 is repeated. So here we have 7 scores. So the mean will be the sum of the scores, which is 35, divided by the number of scores, which is 7. So 35 divided by 7 is 5, and that's why the mean is 5. The median is 4 because that is the middle score. There it is there. The mode is 2 because it's the one that occurs most often. And the range is 8 because it's 10 take away 2. The highest score minus the lowest score. Now, with that explanation, you should understand the rap song quite easily because these 4 measures are mentioned in the rap song. On the next 2 slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about statistics. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English and music. Enjoy. And here are the next 3 verses. Now let's go to the next slide. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by creating a rap song about statistics. Let's have a look at the next slide. So this video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance. Now the next slide. If you would like a rap song about any particular topic in mathematics, please request it in the comments section and I will create a video for you. Goodbye for now.